Yes, good evening, all. Yes, children. Today we'll start with the circles. What do you say?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Guys, can you see what I'm writing now?
No, sir. Sir, we can't see.
Huh?
Sir, we can't see.
Yes. One second, let's change some setting. Yes, children, tell me what do you mean by circle? So we'll finish circles.
So circles.
A circle is a polygon with only one side
Okay.
or infinite sides. So it can be counted in either way.
Everyone, tell me. Everyone should tell me your opinion.
So a circle is 360 degrees. Yes, sir, it's 360 degrees.
Circle is 360
Sir,
degrees.
a circle is
So circle is a feather with no side, with no line segment.
Circle is.
circle is formed when we join.
The circle is a feather with no line segment.
Circle is a closed figure.
Sir, circle is formed when we join the points equally distant from a single point, sir.
Very good. Very good. Yes, one second, children. Let me change some settings. I'm not able to write.
Sir, are you presenting?
Yeah, sir. Are you presenting? Because we can't see your screen.
Yes, sir.
Can you see whatever I'm writing? Tell me, respond, please.
Yeah, sir. Now we can see.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
That's
okay.
clear.
Yes. Okay. Scribbling something. Yes. Tell me. Circle is, yes. Tell me your responses.
So circle is a closed figure, and as Ananya said, circle is formed by joining the points by taking equal distances.
Exactly. So look at this. Let me write. Everyone write. The set of all points. These
So
are plane
chapter name.
circles. Sir, chapter name itself circles. This is a plane, right? This is some plane. Okay.
Sir, a zero-sided curved closed figure.
Yes. See the
The
set of
circle is a zero-sided curved closed figure.
yes. The set of all the points. Let us write a proper definition. Set of all points in a plane that is at a fixed distance. Fixed distance from a fixed point. Makes a circle. Yes or no? The set of all points in a plane that is at a fixed distance. That is at a fixed distance from a fixed point makes a circle. As Ananya said. Now look at this. Now let us write. Fixed point is what here? Fixed point.
The center of the circle.
Yes.
So it's the center point of the
Yes,
circle.
fixed point from which the set of points are at fixed distance is called the center of a circle. A fixed point from which the set of points are at fixed distance is called center of a circle. What is center here? Fixed point from which the set of points are fixed distance. This is like look at this is center. These all are equidistant from the center because all these points will be from the equal distance. All these points. So joining all those points together is what makes your circle. Hope it is clear. Now look at this. A circle divides the plane into three parts. Into three parts. What are they? The first part is
Interior of the circle. And then
yes,
the circle
interior. Inside the circle. Inside the circle. Okay. And the exterior.
So what do you mean by plane? A circle divides the plane into three parts.
Plane means this is a plane. This is a plane. Look at this is a plane. Plane means normal plane. Plane का मतलब ఏంటి? Plane मतलब normal plane. See.
So like any object.
This X. No. This X, Y. Okay, this is XY plane now. Plane is a like smooth, I mean like like smooth surface where you don't have. This is a plane now. In this plane I have everything. Look at circle I can draw, triangle I can draw, rectangle I can draw. In the plane means just like some empty surface.
which
Sorry.
extends infinitely in all directions.
Sorry.
A flat surface which extends infinitely in all directions.
Exactly. It's like a smooth surface, a flat surface, which extends till infinitely. It goes like infinitely many points, all that. Outside of the circle. Okay. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Basically, huh. So what is one more point here? Tell me. See, you told that.
On the
Sir, on the circle.
Sorry.
Sir, can you let me in? I'm in the waiting room.
Sorry.
Can you let me in? I'm in the waiting room.
Yes. Interior circle, exterior circle divides the plane into three parts, which are interior, which means inside the circle part. Okay. And one more part is what? One more part is what?
Sir, I still didn't understand what a plane is.
The circle itself. The circle itself. సుజయ్ ప్లేన్ అంటే ఏం లేదు సుజయ్, ఒక స్మూత్ సర్ఫేస్. ఇప్పుడు కన్యాకుమారి నుంచి కాశ్మీర్ తీసుకో, అంతా ప్లేనే. You
Okay, so
understand?
it's like a straight, it can
Straight,
extend how
smooth
much you want.
surface, smooth surface. Like you don't have anything. Let's say that, so you have boundary sum. This is infinite bound here. This infinite here minus infinite here. Okay. Let's say that this is a minus infinite, this is a plus infinite. Okay. Let's say that minus infinite means it goes till you can't even imagine where it is going till what is the end of that. You don't know where is the end. Do you know where is the end of this earth?
No, sir.
No. Look at it. That is a smooth. This let us consider this earth. Okay, smooth surface.
Okay, sir.
Smooth surface, it goes till infinite. It goes till infinite. It infinite. Wherever you go, it will be a flat surface till infinite.
So, sir, how does a circle divides this into three parts?
This is a circle. For example, this is a circle. This is a plane. Inside the plane, I'm drawing a circle. This is outside of the circle, inside of the circle, and this circle, the circle itself. Three parts.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir.
Hope it is clear.
Yes,
See,
sir.
this
It's
outside
clear.
of the circle, inside of the circle, and the circle itself. Three parts. All
Yes,
right.
sir. Understood.
Yes. Okay, now we'll talk about radius. What do you mean by circle here?
so radius is the distance between the center and any point on the circumference of the circle.
Exactly. Radius is nothing but what? The distance between the center of the circle and any point on its edge is called the radius. The distance between the center of the circle. Distance between the center of this is center of the circle. You take any point. This is a radius. This is a radius. This is a radius. This is a radius. Any point of the circle. Okay, this is a radius. Hope it is clear. What is the circle here? Set of all points in a plane that is at a fixed distance from the fixed point. Look at this here. What is a fixed point here? That is a fixed point is what? That is the center. This is a fixed point. Distance from a fixed point of this is a fixed point. These all are fixed points. Joining all these points together, that is what gives you circle. All right. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very simple. Next, we'll talk about tangent and secant of the circle. What do you mean by secant and what do you mean by tangent?
Sir, isn't it called secant?
So tangent is a line that passes through the circumference of circle only one time.
Yes, sir.
Secant. First, suppose if I take a circle. Look at it. 1 second, please don't interrupt. Please, I'll give a time. Look at this is a point here.
There are
Please wait. This is a one. This is a point here. This is a 1 point here. This is a 1 point. 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 You take any point. By touching that particular point, if I draw a line, that is tangent. If I by touching that particular, that is a tangent. If by touching this point, there is a tangent. By touching this point, if I draw, this is a tangent. By touching this point, if I draw, this is a tangent. But that line should not go inside. That line should exactly touch that point. I'm drawing roughly, please. If you draw with a scale, you will get it. This is what my tangent. So which means a circle forms with infinite number of points. And so that a circle can, on circle, you can be able to draw infinite
We'll have
number of
infinite
tangents.
tangents.
Infinite tangents. Very simple. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
Huh.
sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
look at this. Now let me give it 2 circles here. Okay. So now look at this here. Let me say I'm drawing a tangent. See here. Here, let me say this is AB. Okay. This is what? Tangent here. Now secant is nothing but what? Cutting. Let's say this is my PQ. Okay. This is my secant. Do you understand what is the tangent here?
Yes, sir.
So tangent is A to B.
AB. Here secant. All right.
So secant passes through the circle while tangent just touches the points.
Exactly.
So does it like have any properties, like does it equal it or something in secant?
Sorry.
So like does the secant like divide the circle in quarters or something like that?
It is not like that.
So sir, it just
Points.
passes
Two
through.
distinct points. Passes through 2 distinct points. Like this is a secant, this is a secant, this is a secant. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Look at this. And Harini was talking something. Yes, Harini.
Nothing, sir. I was just
Can you
asking
please
how
talk
to
loudly, Harini?
pronounce-
Can't hear you.
I just was asking about the secant, sir. How to pronounce it?
Secant. Secant.
Yes,
Secant. Tell me.
sir, that's it. I just wanted to ask the spelling. And I understood, sir.
Cool. Yes. A line. A line that touches a circle at exactly 1 point is called its tangent. A line that cuts a circle at 2 points is called secant. Clear? A line that
Yes.
cuts a circle at 2 points. 2 points, 2 distinct points is called as secant. Now, hope it is clear with everyone. Look at it here. Now you write a property here. Write a note. A circle can have infinite number of tangents. We can draw infinite number of tangents. Hope it is clear. As I mentioned here, look at this. Like this. Clear?
Sir, it can also have infinite number of secants.
Exactly.
Sir, but at a point, wouldn't it fill up the circle, secant?
Hmm.
Sir, but at a point, wouldn't the secant fill up the circle and then it will be done?
But you can
Sorry?
overdraw it, right?
You can overdraw it. Look at this here.
Okay,
Circle, you can
okay,
take
sir.
big circle. You take entire earth. Huh? Earth is a circle.
Okay, sir.
Understood. We'll talk about chord. Curd. Not curd, not dahi, not perugu. Chord. Huh. What do you mean by chord here? Tell me what do you mean by
Sir,
chord? You
any
might-
line segment on the circle?
Exactly. Look at this. The line.
Sir, can you draw a diagram?
Yes. The chord. I mean the line segment within the circle. Within the circle. Joining any 2 points. Joining any 2 points. The circle is called the chord. Look at this. What is line segment within the circle? Line segment within the circle joining any 2 points on the circle. Look at this. This is a chord. Clear? Do you agree with my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Already you learned all this stuff, right? Next, diameter.
Sir, I haven't learned secant yet.
Okay, no problem. Diameter. What is the longest chord of the circle?
Diameter.
Diameter.
Very good, very simple. A chord passing through the center. Everyone is copying, right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. I need a response from
Yes,
everyone.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Boys, girls.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Writing down.
A chord passing through the center of a circle is called as diameter. Chudandi, how it can be. This is center. This is the diameter. Now what is this? R. This is also R. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Look, let me write one more point here. The diameter is 2 times the radius. 2 times the radius. And it is the longest chord. You can write bracket, since you can write 2 times r is 2 times of r is equal to d. D means diameter. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
D. Next, arc. What do you mean by arc?
A portion of the circle's circumference.
The portion of a circle between 2 points. Look at this.
Yes, sir.
I have 2 points here, this point and this point. Let's say that A, B I took. Portion between this A, B and portion between these 2 points. Portion between these 2 points is what? Arc. Clear? 2 points is called,
So is it any 2 points?
yes, any 2 points.
So could it be the entire circle?
Huh? Look at it.
Okay,
You take a point here, you take a B point here. This is a curve. You point A, B. Enter circle, how can you?
Okay,
I
sir.
didn't understand your question.
No, sir, nothing.
See, this is a curve, this is a curve, this is a curve, this is a curve. You can take entire curve. See, circle also a curve. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See this. If you take this point, if you take point on that point itself, then that is a curve. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Portion or any that curve. Curve means what? The place between the portion between 2 points on the circle. Girls, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Girls,
Understood, sir.
among the two pieces made by an arc, the longer one is called a major arc and the shorter one is called what? Minor arc.
So like if they are put on the same, like both are equal, both the arcs are equal, and which one is major and which one is minor?
Sorry,
If both the arcs are equal, then which one is major and minor?
then equal are. There is no minor, no major. Then both are major, both are minor. you
So what
consider.
do you mean by the among the 2 pieces made by an arc? What are the 2 pieces?
Among
sir?
the two, look at this here. Among the 2 pieces made by an arc, you can take any 2 pieces. Look at this here. If you 2 points here, this is one piece. Let me say this is one piece. Okay,
So we can make multiple arcs over the
exactly.
circle. Okay, sir.
Yes. Understood? Among
Yes,
2
sir.
pieces made by an arc, the longer one is major, shorter one is minor. Very simple. Clear? Make it fast. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
Next, circumference. What do you mean by circumference?
So the entire circle.
So the
Yes.
perimeter of
Perimeter of
Exactly. That is a proper technical definition. Circumference is what? The perimeter. Perimeter of a circle is the perimeter of the circle, which means what? Perimeter of the circle is the circumference of that particular circle. Perimeter of the circle, you simply write perimeter of the circle. And what if the perimeter of the circle is the distance covered by going through that circle, around the circle? Look at this. This is the perimeter. I mean, which means this is a circumference of circle, like that. Just distance covering around that boundary. Okay. And so, and what is the special name? You write the perimeter of a circle has a special name that is called as circumference. And circumference, you write, which is pi times the diameter. Pi times the diameter.
So 5 or pi?
Pi, 22 by 7, pi,
Okay, sir.
given by the formula. How many of you know the circumference of a formula?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. Very
Pi r.
simple.
2 pi r.
So pi d.
Sir, area is a pi r square, right?
Yes, pi d you can say, which can be written as pi d. Why pi d? Pi as it is, d is what? 2r. 2 pi r.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
That's-
Yes. Agree with my point. Perimeter of the circle. Perimeter of the circle special name is what? Circumference. Which is what? Pi times the diameter, which is given by the formula like this. Yes or no?
Sir, is pi written like that?
Then how do you write?
So isn't it like kind of like a r?
Ara.
I mean cursive r.
This one?
Yeah, sir. Kind of a bit. The r shape should be a bit slant.
Like this?
Yeah, sir.
See, this is also pi. This we write pi as like this. You can look at
Yeah,
this.
sir.
Simply you can mention like this.
Okay, sir.
But if you mention pi like that, I write like this. This is proper way. Clear? Okay. Next. How many of you know a segment of a circle and sector of a circle? What do you mean by segment? Tell me.
So the area bounded by the one chord and its corresponding arc is called segment.
Okay. Look at this. Everyone write this. A circular segment is a region of a circle. A region of a circle which is cut off from the rest of the circle. By a secant or chord. Okay, look at this here. A circular segment is what? Segment is nothing but a segment is a region of a circle which is cut off from the rest of the circle by a secant or chord. Guys, how many of you understood this?
So
I
understood.
understood.
Sir, can you draw a diagram?
Uh-huh.
Sir, what is this, sir? SCEANT. What is that? Something you wrote here.
Secant.
Secant.
Secant. Okay.
Do you look at the diagram? Now this is my center, okay? This is my what? Chord. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What do you
Yes.
mean by segment? Segment is nothing but, look at this. This is a chord. This is also a segment. Chord can be equal to segment actually. Look at this. Now for
So
suppose
chord should be equal to segment, right?
just look at this. Yeah. Now if I take this simple part, this shaded part. The shaded part, if I take, then this is how. This is my arc. This is my chord. Okay. So look at this now. A circular segment is a region of a circle. This is a region of a circle. Look at this. Which is cut off from the rest of the circle. Cut off from the rest of the circle by a secant or chord. That is what my segment. Diagram is what? Look at it. Now if I draw, look at, let me draw you minor and major segments. If I simply have like this, which is a minor segment and which is a major segment. This is my major.
So first one is major.
Major segment. This is
Sir?
my minor. Yes.
So could you tell the difference between a segment and an arc?
Huh?
So could you tell the difference between a segment and an arc?
Difference between, can you please talk loudly?
Sir, could you tell the difference between a segment and an arc?
Okay. Segment and arc. Look at this here. What do you mean by arc? Look at this. Basically, let me draw a circle here. 1 second. This is a circle. Okay. Okay. Arc is a what I told, arc means what is a portion. Portion of what? Portion of a circumference, I would say, around the circle. This is my arc. Okay. This is my portion of a circumference. Segment means what? It's a region bounded by an arc. This is a region bounded by arc by drawing a segment. I mean, by drawing a chord. You understand? Sai Akshit.
No, sir. It's
Arc is what? Just a region on a boundary of the circle. Segment means what? It is what? It's a region. It's region bounded by arc. It's a region bounded by arc, and it's a chord. Look at this here, like this. This is arc.
Okay.
This is, I mean, what do you? Segment.
So arc doesn't cover the area of the circle, segment does.
Sorry, arc doesn't cover.
So arc doesn't cover the area of the circle while
Area of the circle. Arc never covers area of the circle. Even
while segment does.
why segment cover only the major. It depends.
Yeah,
Major,
sir,
minor.
yes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
depends.
understood.
Clear.
So arc has length and segment has area, right?
Exactly. Arc has some.
Okay, sir.
Sir, once can you please scroll up, sir?
Yes. Arc has some length. Look at this here. And look at this, whatever segment has what? Some area. Hope it is clear. That is what you are saying, Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hope you understood. Beta, कोई doubt है इधर?
No,
समझा?
sir, no doubt. No.
Very simple.
I thought it was the same thing.
Hmm?
I thought it was the whole region for an arc.
Whole region? No. Look at this here. Now मेरे पास क्या होता है देखो. Now this entire part comes under what? Major segment. Okay. Shall we go for the next topic? Sector.
Sir, after sector of a circle, can
What do
I
you mean by
ask
sector?
excuse me, sir. After sector of a circle, can I ask it out of circle?
I
circle?
can't even hear anything from Harini's side.
Sir, after sector of a circle, I have a doubt. Can you explain it?
Yes. Tell me. Tell me, Harini.
Sir, what's the formula of circumference of semicircle, sir?
Pi r. देखो. This is a 2 pi r means what is the half of that?
Yes,
Semi
sir.
perimeter ma. 2 pi r lo sagam enta.
Pi r, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
The sector of a circle. Hope it is clear. Now sector of a circle. Sector of a circle is what? Is the portion of a circle, portion of the circle enclosed by 2 radii and an arc. Enclosed by 2 radii and an arc. This is what? And you write where the smaller area is known as the minor sector and larger area is known as the. These all are very, 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 very important basics. Guys, in 10th, 11th standard, you will not be learning all these definitions. Straight away, you will be having formulas. In between the questions, you will get all this. Very, very, very important. Believe me, very important. Please clear with these basics, children. Very, I'm telling you so many times, very. That much important. Listen to me clearly. Okay.
So can you draw a diagram and explain?
Yes. That is what I'm going to do now. See here, this is my center. What he has given, sector of a circle is a portion of a circle enclosed by 2 radii. 2 radii. Look at this. This is my radius. This is also 1 radii. Okay. And an arc. And an arc. Area enclosed by what? Area enclosed by what? 2 radii. This is my radius. This is my radius. 2 radii and 1 arc. This is what? This what? This pizza piece. This is my pizza. Chotu pizza. Okay. What is this pizza? This pizza is called as what? Minor sector. And the rest of the part is what called as major sector.
Sir,
Yeah.
but sir, there's no sector there. There's no shaded part, right?
Where?
So you only shaded the between the two radii. The other part is not shaded. So how are you considering that as the major sector?
Yes, of course. Why not? You have two radiuses, isn't it? This one radius, and this arc.
Okay, so
Yes, yeah.
you're taking the other part as well. You're shading the other part as well. The other part is considered as well.
See, whatever the part, look at this here. The green part I shaded, right? That is my major, minor sector. Remaining boundary, whatever the remaining you have, that is a major sector. Need not worry that.
Okay, sir.
Clear. It is like my pizza. Okay, in the pizza, quarter piece is what? In pizza, quarter piece, like
Minor sector.
yes, one fourth piece is what called as minor, and the remaining 3/4 piece is what called as major sector. You can understand like that. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Next. Guys, if you take two equal arcs, if you take any two equal arcs,
Yes, sir.
two equal arcs for semicircles, then both segment and sector will be called as what? Semicircular region. So that is not that much. Okay, understand that semicircular region means what? If you take two equal arcs, let me take this. Two equal arcs means what? Semicircle only, no?
Yeah,
Equal.
sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
yes or no? Try to
Yeah, sir.
understand what I'm trying to say.
Almost a semicircle.
This is some equal
So it
arc.
will form semicircle only if they overlap, right?
Huh?
So both the sectors have to overlap, then it will form semicircle. But unless it won't, right?
The sector means what?
I mean
Pizza.
arc, sir. Arc. Unless the arcs overlap.
Yes. Both the arcs overlap, then only it makes a semicircle. If you
Yeah,
fold,
sir.
if you fold a paper, if you fold and just overlap, if you fold and just like the shaded part, if you fold so, it will be matching to this. That will be a semicircle. Now here for equal arcs for
Sir, can
semicircle,
arcs overlap?
it can look at this my
Okay, sir.
arc. You have this arc. If this arc, if you overlap in what do you call that? In a clockwise direction, it makes semicircle to you like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So for equal arc for semicircle, both the segment and sector called as semicircular region. You take this is my segment. Okay. Now if I take this is my sector, this is what called as what? Semicircular region. Sector and sector and the segment both called as semicircular region.
Okay, sir.
Next, guys, we have theorems for this. We'll discuss that in the next class.
Yeah, sir. We can.
We
Yeah.
have I have class for your seniors now. So let's retire now. I'll share these notes with you all. We'll meet in the next session. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.
Question for this exam, sir.
Which chapter you want me to conduct for Saturday's test?
The circuits.
What about others?
Yes, the circles, I guess.
The circles as well.
Circles is fine with everyone?
The circle
Yes,
and quadrilateral?
Yes, sir.
Sorry?
Circle and quadrilaterals?
Circles and okay, first I'll give circles basic questions, whatever we have gone through today. So based upon that, I'll be giving the questions. Don't worry. Okay. Let's have a test on circles today. Then tomorrow we'll go for the next week we'll write a full circle test. Okay.
So segment and sector both are called. Once again, can you repeat? So
Sorry. Make it fast. Make it fast.
segment and sector both are called semi. Can you repeat that sentence? Huh?
Which one?
Segment and sector both are called semi.
Semicircular region.
Yes.
Segment and sector of the two equal arc of semicircle. ఇప్పుడు these are both are equal arcs or not? Here sector and segment both will be called as semicircular region.
Yes.
Semicircular region. That's what I told.
I understood, sir. Just
Yes.
forgot.
Okay. Chalo. Thank you.
Thank you, Subhash.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.